Welcome. You're just in time for today's meditation. So let's take a moment, sit in that comfortable chair with your back straight, feet flat on the ground, feeling that presence of the earth beneath you, just bringing up that energy, allowing it to fill your body. The energy of the presence as we take a deep breath in, allowing that breath to move up through the heart area, all the way up into the head, up to the top of the head, and then let it just drop down in perfect harmony. Taking another breath in, holding that breath as it moves all the way up to the top of your head, and letting it go again. Recognizing that presence of the divine that is right here where I am. It is a spiritual substance of this living God. And every part of my body is now attuned to this living spirit within me. And it's a beautiful day. You might want to imagine yourself outside in nature, perhaps walking in the grass. Perhaps you're in your garden, in your backyard. Not only do you hear the slight breeze moving through the yard, but you can smell the scent of the bushes and the flowers, and hear the birds chirping in the background, smelling the earth, feeling the ground beneath your feet. Knowing that here you are whole, complete, in the arms of the divine. Recognizing this is that perfect time for you to connect with God's presence, with nature, with whatever happens to be on your mind this day. So we know that the body is now attuned to this living spirit within. Since God is your life, God is eternal, and your life is eternal. Nothing can separate you from this presence of God, the good, from this perfection. God is now expressing through you, and every part of your body expresses its innate perfection and wholeness. As the sun dissolves any mist, so does your knowledge of truth dissolve all pain and discord. For you are a child of God, and that truth makes you free. Power of the living spirit is the power that remolds and recreates the body in the likeness and the perfection accept this day your own spiritual and physical perfection. Accept its expression of manifesting the life, love, peace, strength, harmony, and joy of God. For that Almighty Presence dwells within you. And so it is.